Okay, Dane and Kellen have quite the plan plotted. Would you tell me about your plan?
Mommy, we're going to sneak away on our machine up a mountain into a forest and scare our bears away, and we're going to sneak all the way up to a mountain, and we're going to sneak down the mountain when you're sleeping and sneak through a forest and shoot the bears, and we're going to take our hunting gear off, and we're going to sneak into Jago's room, and we're going to go to bed, and you'll see Kellen wake up.
Now, why are you doing this?
Because we want a sleepover.
Oh, and how are you going to protect yourself in the woods?
Well, if we take Dane's toy gun and we set it off, the bears will run away.
Oh, what about the loud noises I heard you talking about? Well, is that going to protect yourselves?
Well, it will protect us from bears.
Oh, who else might you see in the forest?
Good thing they usually eat vegetation.
So you don't think they'll eat you?
Well, they might try if they're protecting their cubs. They might try.
Yeah.
So we'll just set off our gun and they'll run away, right, Dane? Yeah, but Daddy likes us. Daddy shoots bears only when they're scaring us and trying to eat us.
Has Daddy ever shot a bear before, Dane? No. Okay, well, it sounds quite like the elaborate plan here, boys.
Actually, I don't think we should bring our guns. I think we should just scream our bears away. Yeah! How do we not bring our guns? No bear sword, no things that can We need that to scare the wolves off. They might think it's a real gun and they'll run away.
Okay, how about we build our fort now?
No, I think we should scream to get them away. They're not scared of loud noises. Right?
Wolves? Yeah, Kellen, okay, are we ready to build our fort, boys? Okay. All right, say goodbye.
Goodbye.